Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can set Google Chrome as your default browser. I do this in two different ways. First, I do this using Windows itself and then through Google Chrome. Click on the Start menu and type Defaults Apps. Under Set Defaults for Applications, enter Google Chrome into the search box. Select Google Chrome and next to make Google Chrome your default browser. Click Set Default. Okay, great! Now I want to set Google Chrome as the default browser through Google Chrome itself. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the window. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings tab, click on Default Browser. Next, to make Google Chrome your default browser, click Make Default. Same as before, under Set Defaults for Applications, enter Google Chrome into the search box. Select Google Chrome and next to make Google Chrome your default browser, click Set Default. It's done! From now on, any links you open should automatically open in Chrome. Thanks for watching.